Hey there fellow programmers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are seeing task and deadline problem from CSES problem set. In this problem we have a given n task. Each task has a duration and deadline. You will process task in a some order one after another. Your reward for the task is deadline minus finishing time. And what is maximum reward if you act optimally? In input we have given n task, and every task has a deadline and duration, and we want to print maximum rewards. Let's take an example. Suppose we have given input three tasks. First is 6 to 10, second are 8 to 50, third are 5 and 12. So first is duration, second is deadline. Suppose this is a timeline. Timeline are start from 0. We will select first task. Suppose I will select first task is the first. That's mean 0 to 6 first task. That means finishing time of first is 6, and or reward are deadline minus finishing time. That's mean 10 minus 6 or first reward, that is 4. Now we'll select second from 6 to 8. 6 plus 8 14, or second task. That's mean our rewards are 50 minus 14 1. Now our third task from 14 to 15, that is 19. That was 19. That's our reward are deadline 12 and finishing time 19. That is our minus 7. That's when our total rewards are 4 plus 1 minus 7, that is minus 2. That was not an optimal approach. Let's see one more approach. Suppose this time I will pick 8 as a first. That's when our first task going from 0 to 8. Our deadline 50. I will finish in 8. That's mean our reward are 50 minus 7. Now we'll take second 5. 8 to 5 13. That's mean our reward are 12 minus 13 minus 1. Now 13 to 6 19. That's when our reward are 10 minus 19 minus 9. That's when total are minus 3. This is also not optimal approach. Let's see one more. From 0 to, suppose we will take first is 5, 0 to 5. That's when our rewards are 12 minus 5 7. Now we'll take 6 from 5 to 6. That's mean 11. Our reward are 10 minus 11, that is minus 1. From 11 to 8, that is 19. That's when our reward are 50 minus 90 minus 4. Total rewards are 2. This is our optimal approach. If you carefully see, we will take 5 first, then 6, that 8. Logic behind this approach is when we select the smallest deadline, that will give maximum positive reward, and we want to maximize our rewards. That's will we will always choose in a increasing order. First we will take 6, then we'll take 8, like this. Suppose we have another one example. Suppose we have another one. We have a duration 2, deadline 4. We have a duration 5, deadline 6. We have duration 3 and deadline is 5. Now when we select, we will take from 0 to first we will take a smallest one, that is 2, from 0 to 2. That's mean our deadline is 4 and our finishing time is 2, or reward are 2. Now from 2 to next smallest, that is 3, then we will take 3. From 2 to 3, that was 5. That's mean our reward are deadline minus finishing time, that is 0. Then we will take next from 5 to 5, that is 10. Now our yeah, now our reward are 6 minus 10, that was minus 4. Our total reward are minus 2. Or maximum possible reward are minus 2. You can try any other examples to get better understanding. Let's code it. Let's code it, guys. First I will take n numbers of tasks, then I will create vector of vector for n task. Every task has a 2 value, duration and deadline. Now I will take the input. First 0 duration, I 01 deadline. Now sort our vector. This will sort the our array by according to duration. Now we take current, that is our current finishing time, and sum, that's our rewards. Okay, now I'll for loop to n. Now current is equal to vi1 for current finishing time, then our rewards are sum plus current duration, or duration let's calculate our max rewards. Run for loop from 0 to n, that's mean for n task. First I will add our current duration, that's date our current, that's mean it will process our current duration. Okay, then rewards for that duration, vi.1 or deadline minus current. Okay, now I will print. Let's try run. We'll discuss our pass. I will one more time I will explain. Let's see how the code is working. First we have a current tends to 0, then sum tends to 0. Now we'll sort it that according to our deadline, and 8:15. Okay, now for first we'll update current with a 5, that is our current is 5. Now we'll subtract from our deadline to our current, that was 12 minus 5, that is 7. For second iteration we'll add 6, that is 5 plus 6, 11. Now then subtract from the deadline 10 minus 11 minus 1. Okay, now for third iteration we will add 8. 11 plus 8, 19. I subtract 19 from 15. 15 minus 19, that will 15 minus 19 minus 4. Then the total is minus 7 minus 1 2. See, your answer is 2. Let's submit our code. Task and deadline. we have accepted solution. Thank you guys.